Ikinagagalak kong makilala ka.
Ikinagagalak kitang, yes, makilala. Taga Bangladesh ka, di ba?
Opo. Ako ay nagmula sa Bangladesh, pero ako ay nakatira sa Jeddah, Saudi Arabia.
Okay. Ilang taon ka na tumitira sa Saudi Arabia?
Since when you're living in Saudi Arabia?
Tama.
Ipinan, ganak at lumaki ako sa Saudi Arabia.
Okay. Naintindihan kita. Oo. Madami ka bang mga kaibigan na Pilipino? Hindi. Madami ka bang mga kaibigang Pilipino?
Do you have Filipino friends?
Do you have a lot?
Hindi po.
Ano ang trabaho mo? Okay. Ako ay guro. Nagtuturo ako ng English at Tagalog at may negosyo ako.
Negosyo, same like Spanish, yeah. Negosyo. Can you repeat again with the question?
I was sharing. Ako ay guro at may negosyo ako.
Madaling. Maganda.
Nagbebenta kami ng mga matatamis na pagkain. Sweet foods like cake, cupcake.
What was the meaning of matatamis?
Matatamis na
sweet food. Pagkain. Okay. Do I like? Gusto ko.
Gusto mo ng
opo. I like dessert. It's actually Pakistani dessert called faluda.
Ano yun?
Opo. Faluda or
okay.
It's delicious.
Sige.
Pagkain sa Pakistan. Ang pagkain sa Pakistan.
Pagkain. It's pagkain.
Pagkain, Pakistan. It's actually subcontinental. You find everywhere. India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. It used to be one country before.
Okay. I understand. Marunong ka ba magsalita ng Arabo?
Do I speak Arabic?
Kasi nakatira ka sa... okay.
Opo.
Mahusay ka ba?
Fluent? Opo. Native, not just fluent. Native in Arabic. I have 3 languages. I'm native at 3 languages. Bengali is my language, because of my parents, and because I'm born and raised here. Arabic is my another native language. The third one is Hindi, not known in Tagalog. It's language of India or Pakistan altogether.
Wow, so polyglot ka.
Opo.
Galing.
But I consider myself a student of languages, not typical polyglot.
Nag-aral ako ng wikang Kastila noong high school ako.
Spanish I've learned here on Italki online.
Hindi, sa paaralan.
Castellano. Castellano is Castilla.
Castilla.
And I find another one because I can as well. Yeah, I know. Because it's actually Spanish helped me a lot to remember cognates, Tagalog Spanish cognates.
Okay. Pag madali ang Tagalog pag marunong ka mag-Kastila. It's like if you know Spanish, yes, then you'll find Filipino easy, and vice versa.
Yeah, it's helped me a lot to remember words like cama, manzana, silla, cuchara, tenedor, cocina, cuarto, many words, baño. To remember, just the spelling differs in spelling, but the pronunciation are similar, very similar. Yeah, which is good thing. Actually, in my while I was learning Spanish 2.5 years ago, I was planning what's next, what I'm gonna learn. Then I was thinking to learn Portuguese because it's very similar language, it's too easy to learn. But then I thought, though it's similar language, but I'm gonna lose my accent. I can't speak. I'm gonna lose because it's too many confusion. Then I switched into French. French is the same. The pronunciation is difficult, and there are many similarities. So yeah, then Chinese Mandarin, and which I have started already, one class on italki,
Wow.
and because of them, that's it. I'm gonna learn. Then later, I'm gonna learn Chinese Mandarin after Tagalog.
Wow.
Opo.
Magaling ka. Kamusta ang panahon sa Saudi Arabia?
Weather? It's mainit, mainit,
Mainit ang
mainit.
panahon.
Opo. What to meses? I don't know how to say meses.
Which one?
Ocho meses. I don't know.
8 beses. Like 8 times?
Ko. Sandali lang.
Okay lang.
Walang buwan.
Okay.
Mainit. At apat buwan.
Oo.
Malaming.
Oh,
Apat buwan, malaming.
okay. Dito sa Pilipinas, ngayon ay makulimlim.
Maganda.
Oo.
Gusto ko ng makulimlim.
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 Makulimlim na panahon.
Season?
It can be season or weather, both.
Maganda.
Anong mga bansa na napuntahan?
Country.
Like, what countries have you been to? Or
only because I'm born and raised here in Saudi Arabia. I only visited my country like 4 years ago. That's it. And next year I'm coming to your country.
Oh, talaga?
Opo.
Oh, saan sa Pilipinas?
Welcome.
Where? Like where in the Philippines?
Tacloban.
Tacloban?
lugar ng ang aking waray.
Waray siya. Okay.
And how about you? Where do you live in Philippines, and what is your?
Nakatira ako sa malapit sa Manila, yung capital.
Maganda. And I'm because of course I'm gonna land in Manila, of course. Then I'll go there. Maybe I might spend there a few months.
Sige. Why not?
So can meet up.
Sige. I-contact mo ako pag pumunta ka dito.
Because I'm planning to wear though.
Okay. In Tagalog, you can say it like this.
Mag-asawa kami. Mag-aasawa.
It's like we're getting married. Okay. So, pag pumunta ka dito, makikilala mo ang pamilya ng nobya mo?
Opo.
Okay. Mabuti. Kilala ba ng nobya mo ang pamilya mo? Does she know your family?
Opo. So far my sister, because I want to like mix, but like my culture is like mixed. Though I'm from Bangladesh, like my parents, even though, but yeah, my mentality is different. Like my culture, I'm born in a diversified culture, like multicultural, like Arab, Indian, like who live there actually live here. I mean, so I'm mixed.
Maganda pag international kultura.
Opo.
I
know it's difficult because it's the culture here is different, not like open country like Philippines. It's much more conservative culture here. That's why.
Anong mas conservative? Bangladesh or Saudi Arabia?
Of course, Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is most. Even Bangladesh is conservative as well, but Saudi Arabia is kind of extremely conservative.
Oh my God! So strict law. So it's like they have strict laws in Saudi Arabia.
Magkano?
It's strict. Like I want to say like the rules in Saudi Arabia are strict.
it used to be is changing nowadays because women cannot drive before. Now they are driving now. They have like license and they can drive. Before no, they can't drive before.
Mag-i-enjoy ka sa kultura namin kasi mas
Opo.
open ang Pinoy.
Opo.
Oo.
Strict sounds like Spanish. Estricto. Estricto or strict without R?
I forgot the I, like stricto, like if it's Tagalog.
Opo. Because C doesn't exist, that's why I was reading like Spanish. Walang problema po.
Oo. Ano yung Tagalog is yaya.
Yeah. Opo.
Okay. I see. Ilang taon siya nakatira sa Saudi Arabia?
Siya ay nakatira sa Jeddah. Same.
Ilang taon na? How many
Jeddah, ciudad. Ilang taon? Isang taon? Isang taon.
Isang taon na?
Opo.
Okay. I see. Anong gusto mo makita sa Pilipinas? Like, what do you want to see? Beaches or mountains? Like,
all the beautiful places, like beaches and all the like islands. Wherever I can manage to go, of course. Of course, must be cheaper places, not like expensive.
Oh my God, sayang. Too bad. Kasi may gusto ko i-recommend sa'yo. Well, depende sa budget mo, pero maganda ang Boracay. Alam mo ang
Okay. Because I have to go before Bangladesh. Then from there I'll fly to Philippines. That's why. That's why I have to like economy. I have to budget. Like if I go like expensive places, then I'll be broke. Then I can't go back. And we want to actually come back together. Yeah. So let's see.
I see. Di ba ang Bangladesh at Saudi Arabia parehas, like same, parehas is the same? Like parehas silang Muslim ang religion? Okay. So Muslim ka?
Opo.
So hindi ka kumakain ng baboy, pork?
Opo. Pork at cerveza?
Cerveza.
Opo.
Nako, okay. Mahilig sa baboy ang mga Pilipino.
Opo.
Oo. Alam mo ang lechon?
Lekon?
Lechon?
Lechon?
Yes. Do you know this?
No.
Oh, okay. It's a famous sport in the Philippines.
Opo.
Never
heard of it. Yeah. I know Red Horse. It's another.
Red Horse.
But I never heard of it. Like food, like chicken adobo.
Love ko.
Pancit.
Love ko adobo.
Pancit.
Pancit. Masarap sila. Masarap ang pancit at
Opo.
adobo.
Something like pasta, but
pasta?
Like thinner one. Pasta, but thinner one. I don't know how to say that.
What's the name? Oh my God. Like the thin pasta?
Pasta, but thinner one.
Wait, it's not pancit, but it's like an Italian pasta.
Wait, she made like a pasta. Is that delicious? It's like spicy. Is that spicy? Little spicy. With this.
I think, is it palabok? Wait, I think. Like if I'm just basing it on the thinness of the noodles, I think it's palabok. Yes. Yes, I think
you can make it sweet or spicy. Like a pasta or noodles. You can make it. She made like noodles.
Wait. I think it's pancit bihon. I'm not sure. Like it's one of those. It's one of the pancits because we have many pancits here.
Maybe.
Kaya ba niya? Like kaya ba niya magluto ng pagkain Pakistan o Bangladesh?
Hindi ko intindihan.
Okay. Yeah.
Like can she cook like Indian or Bangladesh? Hindi po.
Okay. Hindi niya kaya ang pagkain sa bansa mo?
Opo. Opo.
Hindi. Okay. Oh.
Arabic, yes, but like Hindi, Indian or Bangladesh, no, because she doesn't have like friends from this place, these places, these places. That's why she can cook Arabic food though, because she's working with
I'm sorry,
Arabic
it's
people.
finished up now.
Opo,
Our,
excuse me.
sorry, our time is finished now.
Opo, it's okay. Even my other teacher is another teacher is calling me. I was about to say.
Okay,
Uh,
sige.
Maraming salamat po.
Wala na.
Ingat.
Sige, ingat.
Sandali lang. Sorry. Hanggang sa muli.
Hanggang sa muli. Okay, bye-bye.
Paalam.